Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. So students of class 6th, take out your PC Ren's grammar book and then open chapter number 13. And the name of this chapter is adverbs. Okay, I had already uploaded an explanation video on this topic adverbs on our YouTube channel. First you watch that video, then it would be helpful for you to do the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so let's do the exercises of this chapter. And your exercise first is underline the adverbs of the manner in the following sentence and name the verb with which each is used. Okay, so here you have to underline the adverb of manner. So the adverb of manners in these sentences, in first one, she writes well. Here well is a adverb of manner. He loved her truly. Here truly is a adverb of manner. He spoke quietly. Here quietly is a adverb of manner. You should not do so. Here so is a adverb of manner. The soldiers fought bravely. Here bravely is a adverb of manner. The boys was walking fast. Here fast is a adverb of manner. They were talking loudly. Here loudly is a adverb of manner. He could not speak distinctly. Here distinctly is an adverb of manner. Now exercise second, underline the adverbs of place in the following sentences. Okay, in first one, he has come back. Here back is a adverb of place. Second one, the little lamp followed Mary everywhere. Here everywhere is a adverb of place. Let us go out. Here out is a adverb of place. The servant has gone upstairs. Here upstairs is a adverb of place. The peon is standing outside. Here outside is a adverb of place. We sat inside. Here inside is a adverb of place. Come in and sit down. Here in and down are the adverbs of place. Work hard or you will be kept in. Here hard is a hard and in is a are adverb of place. Okay, now exercise third, underline the adverbs of time in the following sentence and circle the adverb of frequency. Okay, so you have to underline the adverbs of time and have to circle the adverbs of frequency. Okay, first one, you may go now. So now is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. Then second one, the end soon came. Here soon is a adverb of time, so underline it. I hurt my knee yesterday. Here yesterday is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. Wasted time never returns. Here never is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. He is going to Chennai shortly. Here shortly is a adverb of frequency, that's why circle it. I shall visit you every year. Here every is also a adverb of frequency, that's why circle it. Seventh one, lately he has become lazy. Here lately is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. I often hear the cuckoo sing. Here often is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. I shall get a letter tomorrow. Here tomorrow is a adverb of time, that's why underline it. I get up early every day. Here every is a adverb of frequency, that's why circle it. Formerly we lived in Kolkata. Here formerly is a adverb of frequency, that's why circle it. And last one, that day he arrived late. Here that is a adverb of time, that's why circle it. Okay, now exercise 4th. Underline the adverb of degree in the following sentences. He spoke very kindly to them. Here underline very because it's the adverb of degree. Then second one, the day passed very pleasantly. Here very is a adverb of degree. He writes extremely well. Here extremely is a adverb of degree. Please work less noisily. Here less is a adverb of degree. He writes quite beautifully. Here quite is a adverb of degree. He missed you so much. Here so much is a adverb of degree. He is very kind to his servant. Here very is a adverb of degree. The mangoes are almost ripe. Here almost is a adverb of degree. The cup is nearly full. Here nearly is a adverb of degree. We spent a very pleasant day. Here very is a adverb of degree. He is somewhat lazy. Here somewhat is a adverb of degree. This sum is quite easy. Here quite is a adverb of degree. Okay, so this is the end of our chapter. We had done important exercises of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.